Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic for you. How to save $3,000 in 3 months when you're broke. Yes, you heard that right. We understand how tough it can be to save money when you're on a tight budget, but fear not, because we've got some incredible tips and tricks to share with you. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1, Setting the Stage. Before we begin, let's address the elephant in the room. Being broke is tough. But remember, you're not alone. Many of us have faced financial challenges, and it's okay to seek help and guidance. The first step to saving $3,000 in just 3 months is to believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. Segment 2, Assess your finances. The key to successful saving is knowing where your money is going. Take a deep breath, gather your bills and financial statements, and let's get to work. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Write down every dollar you spend, no matter how small. This will help you identify unnecessary spending and areas where you can cut back. Segment 3, Create a realistic budget. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. Allocate a specific amount for essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. Be honest with yourself about what you can afford. Remember, it's okay to make adjustments as you go along, but sticking to a budget will be your roadmap to success. Segment 4, Minimize discretionary spending. We all have little spending habits that add up over time. Do you grab a coffee on your way to work or eat out frequently? It's time to reevaluate these expenses. Consider brewing your coffee at home or cooking more meals. Small changes can make a huge difference in your savings journey. Segment 5, Embrace the power of saving. Saving money is not about deprivation, it's about building a better future for yourself. Set up a separate savings account and name it something inspiring like Dream Fund or Financial Freedom. Celebrate every deposit, no matter how small. The feeling of watching your savings grow will keep you motivated. Segment 6, Side hustles and extra income. If you're looking to supercharge your savings, consider picking up a side hustle. There are countless opportunities out there, from freelance work to online gigs. Tap into your talents and skills to earn extra income. Every dollar you make from your side hustle can go straight into your savings account. Segment 7, Seek out support and accountability. Saving money can be challenging, but you don't have to go through it alone. Share your goals with friends or family who can cheer you on. You can also join online communities or forums where people share their saving success stories and tips. Remember, a support system can make all the difference. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards financial freedom by learning how to save $3,000 in 3 months, even when you're broke. Always remember that it's the small, consistent efforts that lead to significant results. Be patient with yourself, and don't get discouraged if you face obstacles along the way. With dedication and determination, you can achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and life hacks. Until next time, take care, and happy saving! Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or additional tips you'd like to share, leave them in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way. Have a fantastic day!